Bitcoin, should I buy or should I wait? What's going on in the market? You want to know the last information? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And we are so happy that in just 3 days, Bitcoin's up 27%. We way all the way up to 62,729. Are you happy? You might be happy, but consider some other things that made you wonder if it's time for buying or we should wait. For example, we have this line you can see with previous lows, and right now we just exactly went there. So maybe this is now resistance and Bitcoin price is going to go down from that 62,000 level. Also, you might say we're so happy because the gap finally is filled, but if you have a closer look, you will see that it's not closed already again. And this is something I haven't seen in Bitcoin in its history, or I didn't pay attention to that. And is those reversal islands we told you in previous videos. Remember that we had this gap here, and then when we wanted to close it, we didn't because we jumped in our way down. Well, now it's not closed neither. Why? Because we also jumped again. So we have this white line here, we have this gap, and I believe that finally in the next hours it's going to be filled. So, well, at least I expect Bitcoin going lower to $60,000, and then we'll see about that. We'll see what happens with these islands when those are filled and how we end the week. Because we have this hammer candle. Remember, we told you in previous videos, if you want more charts about this, watch the last video. Everybody's in vacation. This video has very little views, so you have to watch it. You have their charts, very interesting ones you don't want to miss out. I also told you about August, and we are so close to the target that we were expecting, and also following the path for Bitcoin price action. I told you in that video what I believe it's going to happen, and I also told you about these crazy ideas with the dollar chart and also Bitcoin chart on 2020 and 2016. We are following that theory that would bring us to 58,300 in the next days. We have to watch the stock market. Of course, yesterday was good in United States. We'll see today. Asia and Japan today, not very good, not also bad, but the dollar keeps on going up. Is this good or not? The ETFs are not doing too bad, but also not crazy. But we have so many good pieces of information out there, like, for example, that we are on CNBC telling everybody that Morgan Stanley now has that green light for 15,000 advisors to sell Bitcoin. It's only a matter of time before everything goes crazy up, allegedly, according to the street. And on Fox Business, we have Michael Saylor, of course, and he said that Bitcoin price action crushed everything. And also, he would recommend you to buy some Bitcoin. Go and buy Bitcoin and wait, because hundreds of trillions of dollars of capital from all around the world are going to flow into cyberspace to Bitcoin network. Consider that Vladimir Putin is now signing that law to legalizing cryptocurrency mining in Russia, and also cross-border settlements and exchange trading in digital currency. That would be September. The back to school is going to be crazy this year, when we have also Donald Trump Jr. now revealing something about what we told you in previous videos of that love for crypto he has now. He said that they are going to launch a large platform to take on a lot of the banking world using DeFi. So, you know, Larry Fink from BlackRock, this guy now, tokenization is going to be a huge thing, in my opinion, in the next bull run. Also consider that we have a win for Ripple that now is going to be fined $125 million, which is nothing for them. And now they are free. They are not a security anymore. At least at some points, we have some confusion there. They say it might be a security if you use it in some cases, but intrinsically it's not a security. So they are happy with that. In any case, the SEC is probably going to ask for another opinion in the law, and that's why this procedure is going to be longer in the time. But right now, it's a win for Ripple and for the market, I believe. And Cohen, going back to the charts that highlighted this death cross and what happened in the past time with this indication. Of course, we have balls up and down for this. Like, for example, in 2023, we went up when we had this happening. We're going to follow this possibility. 2022, you can see we went down and then up. 2021, we went down and then up. So we have mostly every scenario. But some people believe we have to consider 2020 because it's a cycle year. In 2016, we didn't have one of these. So 2020 might be the good scenario. So a little bit down and then up for good. We'll see about this in the future. We will follow this idea. Also, of course, tell me everything you believe is going to happen in the comments below. And if we are following this 2020, remember that we had this pattern, this megaphone, and maybe we are just up for a breakout and Bitcoin can go so high. I told you in previous videos what's them about this Titan of Crypto chart, and it seems we are following it, so that's a good one. If we consider the 4-year cycle, we are on track, as you can see in this one too. And today is a very important day, because when we told you that the bull market still or lasts for 800 days, well, today is that day. So allegedly, the next 800 days are going to be amazing. Are you greedy enough right now? Are you neutral, or you fear the market? Maybe because of FTGOX and that distribution? Can be. But the bubbles are crazy in the green. You can see here that SUI is one of the biggest. If we go to CoinGecko, is the most important rise of the day. We have there some Ethereum and layer 2s. We have Pepe going up 11-12%. And why SUI is going up? Well, that's because according to Altcoin Daily, Grayscale is launching 2 new crypto investment products for Tensor Trust and SUI Trust. Everybody now considering what's going to be the next ETF to be launched. And we have this information from Brazil. Brazilian Stock Exchange B3 approved world's first Solana ETF. Those are going to start trading allegedly. So maybe Solana is going to be the one. And we have this fight between Solana and Ethereum all day long. And here this tweet, I'm going to leave you the link in the description below if you want to dig higher or deeper. Well, he believes that Ethereum is the winner, is the undisputed cryptocurrency, more reflexive asset than Bitcoin, but less in liquidity. Ethereum successfully secured the biggest network for years, but tested for 10 years, flawless execution of big upgrades, merge, etc., and deflationary tokenomics, but built in APY. So that's what BlackRock is watching. That's what they are well, just distributing their allocation between Bitcoin and Ethereum because they want these assets that I told you tokenized. Larry Fink told us that he wants all the stock market tokenized. So that would be huge. And that's why Ethereum might follow Bitcoin. And it is also in the chart, as you can see here, even though Bitcoin recovered better than Ethereum by now. That's a wrap for today. But remember that we have our pool on Cardano, Fanon, the right, 0 fees, only 270 fixed cost. And that's why we deliver better than others. And we just had one block 4 hours ago. So amazing there. Maybe you are considering right now how to buy a Lamborghini or a Porsche or another car with your wins like this cat is doing. Or maybe you are crazy and frustrated because you think that you are trapped, but you are not. Come on, cat, you can do it. You can be free. How you would do that? Well, you would do that by learning about AI, if you watch our other channel about artificial intelligence, and also, of course, watching one of our videos, maybe the last one that you didn't hear on CryptoNews. We are researching already for the next video that you can't miss out. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!